Hey there, content creators! Have you ever faced the uphill battle of trying to get people to read your content? It's like trying to convince kids to do their summer reading lists. A real challenge, right? Well, we've got some exciting news for you today. It's no secret that in this fast-paced digital world, getting your audience to read your content is getting harder by the day. But what if we told you there's a game-changing solution that can make it easier? Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to introduce you to Speechki, the revolutionary software that's about to change the way you engage with your audience. Speechki is here to transform your content creation journey. With this incredible software, you can quickly and easily turn any text content into high-quality audio. That's right! No more struggling to get people to read your content. Now, you can capture their attention with a natural-sounding voice that brings your words to life. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Speechki offers over 600 AI voices in different languages and accents. Imagine the possibilities! You can tailor your content to reach a global audience, all with the click of a button. Now, you must be wondering, how does this magic happen? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, paste your text into Speechki. Second, choose your preferred AI voice and language. Third, click Convert. It's that easy, and within seconds, you'll have captivating audio content ready to share with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Let's start turning those words into sound and captivate your audience. With Speechki, you're not just creating content, you're creating experiences. Say goodbye to the struggle of getting people to read and hello to the excitement of having them listen. It's time to level up your content creation game with Speechki. Don't miss out on this game changer. Click the link below to get started with Speechki today and revolutionize the way you engage with your audience. Hit that like button if you're as thrilled about Speechki as we are, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content creation tips and tools. Thank you for tuning in today. We'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to make your content stand out. Until then, happy content creating with Speechki.
Hi there, and again, I hope you liked the video that I just created by using the Speechki. Maybe the name is Speechki. I have no idea. But anyways, I would just say Speechki. So I just already logged in. So let's go to my project. And I created some of the projects already. The first one was a test and some other ones I used. You can go to my music to generate the music, and here's the voices. So they have so many different voices. So if you are using the US English version, they have tons of it. I actually used the Vera items. That was the one that I used for video that I used, but they have tons of it. They have whisper version, that's really good for faceless videos. I just posted 4 videos. Yesterday I posted 2 videos, and today I posted 2 different videos. Really good experience with this Speechki. I will share this channel link so you can watch and you can listen to how the Speechki is speaking. They also have an audiogram. So when we pick the one we just did, and when we play it, you can definitely download this version and then you can post it to your channel. Let's go to my projects, and if you want to click this and create a project and click on the select speaker, and you can choose the language you want. For example, Korean, and they have some Koreans here, and some of them are really good, some of them are not really. So you can just listen to their voice and choose one of them, add a text, and click generate audio. You are gonna receive an email that your voice is ready. When your voice is ready, you can go ahead and click one of the projects that you created, download it to your computer. Speechki is now offering one-time cost to use, so there's no recurring payments. As you can see, the $59 one-time cost going to be 20 voice generation per month. The highest version is $239, and that's unlimited voice generations per month. If you have any questions about the software, you can leave a comment. If you have any feedbacks about this, of course, you can share your thoughts. Hope my video helping you to understand about the Speechki, and please subscribe to my channel. You can watch the other videos.